Geoduck, a giant clam with a unique appearance and high value, is not only a delicacy of North American coastal waters, but also an intriguing industry. While Canada is known for its deep-sea geoduck farms, the U.S. takes a near-shore approach, using creative and efficient harvesting methods. Let's dive into the fascinating process, from breeding and nurturing geoducks to the careful harvesting of these delicious clams, all done with skill and precision. Geoduck is a species of clam that primarily lives along the coastal areas of the Pacific Northwest, especially in Washington State, USA, and British Columbia, Canada. Its body can reach up to 1 meter in length, its shell is about 15 to 20 centimeters long, and it weighs between 1 to 2 kilograms. This mollusk is known for its long lifespan, often over 100 years. In Canada, the process of farming geoduck begins at specialized coastal hatcheries. Here, geoducks are raised from tiny larvae in artificial seawater tanks with carefully controlled temperature, salinity, and pH levels. Once the juveniles are large enough, they are released into selected coastal areas with sandy or muddy seabeds, sites that have been thoroughly surveyed beforehand to ensure optimal growth conditions and clean water. After about 5 to 7 years, when the geoducks reach market size, harvesting teams head out on specialized boats. At the farming sites, divers equipped with professional gear dive to the sea floor and use high-pressure water hoses to expose the geoducks' long necks. They then carefully extract each clam from the sand, trying not to damage the shell or body. This meticulous process is important because each geoduck has high market value. Once harvested, the geoducks are placed into mesh bags and brought up to the boat. On board, they are rinsed, sorted by size, and packed into plastic bins with ice to keep them fresh. Finally, they are transported to processing facilities or packing centers for local sale or export, mainly to China, Japan, and other Asian countries, where geoduck is considered a premium delicacy. Unlike in Canada, geoduck farming in the U.S., especially in Washington state, usually takes place close to shore, right along intertidal beaches. Farmers plant juvenile geoducks in the sand and cover them with small protective plastic tubes to shield them from natural predators like crabs and seabirds. When the tide goes out, they can walk out to the farming area for inspection. During harvest season, instead of diving like in Canada, workers in the U.S. use high-pressure water to loosen the sand and expose the geoduck's neck. Then, they gently pull the clam out by hand. This near-shore harvesting method is more cost-effective, easier to manage, and safer for workers.